Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning voice on and picking the right input so teammates actually hear you. Go into Options, Audio, and Enable Voice. Choose Push to Talk to avoid background noise. Once done, confirm Steam and your OS use the same microphone device and set mic volume high enough without clipping. Make sure voice receive volume is comfortable so you can hear calls. Finally, bind a transmit key immediately. You need that key to speak during matches. Don't skip it. Next, you set and test your push-to-talk behavior so communication is crisp. You should assign a comfortable key, think thumb buttons or side keys, so you can move and speak without losing aim. Once bound, enter a local server and speak while observing the in-game voice icon to confirm transmit works. If noise bleeds through, add a short gate or dead zone in your mic software, about 1/2 to 1 second, to block breathing and ambient sounds. Make sure teammates can hear your range and clarity. Finally, use voice efficiently. Call locations, enemy classes, and quick requests. Short phrases win fights. Be polite and avoid constant chatter. Teammates rely on clear, timely info. If voice fails, verify you aren't muted in Steam, that the server allows voice, and that in-game voice settings aren't disabled. Once done, restart Tf2 or reselect your input device in Steam if the mic still won't transmit. That usually resolves drivers or device lockups and gets you back in voice quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.